Hello everyone, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Joshua, and today I want to demo this really cool origami maple seed one of those maple seeds that fall off from the trees, which is really cool. And I just designed this, and yeah, so I will be showing you how to fold this tomorrow. If you have any more, if you don't want to fold this, that's fine. You can ask me to make something else, and then I'll try to do that and post that tomorrow. But for right now, it's now the maple seed, the origami maple seed leaf, and this is really cool. And this is how it spins. So it's really cool, and it spins really cool. It's one of those really cool maple leaves. And yeah, so I'll see you guys later. Bye.